There is a glitch.
Merong glitch dito.
Bro.
Sa build a tower. Grow a garden.
Build a tower, bro. A garden.
Grow a tower.
Bro, just set up.
Ooh, a tower.
No.
I have the N-word pass. So, there you go.
Wait, Mare pa ang gurang sa mga gurang ang nagsisinisa sa kuyang videos.
N-word pass.
No.
There you go.
Bro, I was so close. I don't know.
Naglupad po. Hindi kaya yung kaligid.
No, not too close. Place.
Ano mo ba galisin? Ikaw mo yung ano? Ikaw mo galig yung Minecraft?
Ha?
Ikaw mo galig yung Minecraft?
There's a lot of zombies there.
Ligde!
Oh, there.
You wanna break game?
I'm going. Please go down. Please go down. Yes, I did a glitch. Bye.